We wanted a pergola because we face the west, and in the summertime it gets really hot. We also have a lot of wind here, and we felt that we needed some wind protection as well. When our friends saw it, they were totally amazed. They couldn't believe how well it worked and how easily it worked. You just push a button and the screens come down and the louvers open. When they're closed, they're totally rainproof. So we've sat out here during the rain, and it's nice to be able to do that. When the LED lights are on in the evening with the screens down, and it makes a beautiful atmosphere out here. We enjoy a glass of wine, and it's the perfect setting for it. The structure is going to last forever. There's really no maintenance involved in it. I think that we're going to enjoy a lifetime with this product. The crew that came in was extremely professional. As well, they were courteous, so we thoroughly enjoyed that they were here. They cleaned up everything perfectly. They used vacuums to clean up the debris from the job itself, so we were really pleased. We would give it a 10 out of 10. Like, there was nothing about this project that we didn't like. And the product is amazing. The design is amazing. It's so modern. It just fits with our lifestyle, and it worked out wonderfully.